Welcome to Learning for Knowledge. Today I will be teaching you how to solve a quadratic equation. So it is not actually that hard and it's not difficult at all. And you only need two methods to solve it. And after this video, I'm sure you will face no difficulty. So the basic example of a quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c, meaning a square term, just an x term with a rational number, and just a rational number. So there are only two methods you need to solve the equation. The first is the middle term break and second is the quadratic formula. Both are important in their own ways and we will be needing both of them. So let's begin with what is middle term break. As the name suggests, in this we have to break the middle term. Okay, so the first step is to multiply first and the third number, ax square and c, and the outcome should be broken into two numbers that if we will add them or subtract them, we should have the middle term that was original middle term, and the two unknown numbers which if you will multiply you will end up with the ax square multiplied by c, and if you add them you will reach to the outcome of bx. I hope you are understanding. Let's share a little example and explain it to help you understand better. So the first example is x square minus 4x minus 12. So this is a simple quadratic equation. Now we will be teaching you how to solve it. So the first step is to break the middle term. And the two numbers that I've selected are x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 12, minus 6 and 2x. I will be explaining later why I've chosen those two numbers. The next step is to take common. I've taken x common and the bracket x minus 6. And you see that in the second term x minus 6 is also present. If both the brackets are same, it means your quadratic equation or your solution is going in the right direction. So then we take common the x plus 2 and the x minus 6. So these lead to our answer. X equals to minus 2 as plus x plus 2 equals to minus 2. So and x minus 6 equals to positive 6. This is our answer. Now let me explain it in detail. Now let's move forward in into why I chose those two middle terms. This is again the same question, x square minus 4x minus 12x. Now our first thing is to multiply x square into minus 12x, which will lead us to minus 12x square. So now considering 12, now let's find the factors of 12. 12 into 1 is 12, 6 into 2 is also 12, and 4 into 3 also 12. Now I have selected 6 and 2 because our middle term was minus 4x, and if minus 6 plus 2x equals to minus 4x. So let me share the example once again. Now you will understand what I have done. So x square minus 4x minus 12, the example, the question, and then the two values we selected, x square minus 6x, remember 6, and plus 2x, remember 2 we selected, and then minus 12. See, the two terms broke the middle term. If we multiply the two terms, we will end up with the product of 12 and x square, and if we add them, it will lead us to the original minus 4x. So then we take it common, and then the bracket x minus 6 will come into the x plus 2, the other two brackets we made, which lead us to the outcome. which is x equals to minus 2 and x equals to minus 6. So this x equals to minus 2 and plus 6 are our answer. I hope you understood it. Now let's move on to the second method, that is the quadratic formula. This method is a little more complex than that, but it is not that difficult either. So quadratic formula. Now you will ask, what is the quadratic formula? So basically the quadratic formula is a formula in which we substitute our values to find out the answer. So the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So yes, this is our quadratic formula and you need to remember it. Okay, so a little bit review: minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now you will be asking why b square, 4ac, 2a. Now I will explain. For example, our previous example, x square minus 4x minus 12. Now in this we find the quotient. The coefficient is in x square is 1. So a equals to 1. In minus 4x it's minus 4, and in minus 12 c equals to minus 12. Now we have to substitute a, b and c. Now I have selected the quadratic formula and I have substituted the values in it. For example, in minus b square I have put minus 4 as b equals to minus 4. Then we need to just add up and subtract and multiply, and we will be leaded to our outcome. For example, 4 plus minus under root 64 upon 2. Our next step is under root 64, which is 8. So 4 plus minus 8 upon 2. And then if plus minus will go in two directions. For example, 4 plus 8 equals to 12. So 12 upon 2 equals to 6. This is one answer. The second is 4 minus 8, meaning minus 4 upon 2, and which will lead to minus 2. So this is our answer. You remember from the last example that both of the time the answers were same. So whatever is the value of a, b and c, substitute in the equation and you will reach to the outcome. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video. Thank you.